The Ridstar H26 Pro electric bike seamlessly blends style, power and functionality, making it a standout choice for modern, eco-conscious riders. Beyond being a means of transportation, this electric bike serves as a bold statement of innovation and performance. Powered by a robust 1500W brushless motor, the H26 Pro ensures swift and efficient rides with speeds exceeding 50 km per hour, combined with the 48V 23Ah battery. The bike offers an impressive range of 80 to 120 km on a single charge, making it suitable for both long-distance commutes and casual rides. The Shimano 21-speed transmission system enhances versatility, providing smooth and precise gear shifts to handle various terrains with ease. Engineered for comfort and durability. Designed with rider comfort at its core, the Ridstar H26 Pro features 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, ensuring stability and a smooth ride across diverse surfaces, including sand, gravel, snow, and pavement. The hydraulic double-shoulder front fork effectively absorbs shocks and vibrations, delivering a consistently comfortable experience whether navigating bustling city streets or rugged off-road trails. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame, the bike is built to withstand the demands of daily use, while supporting a maximum load of 150 kilograms. This sturdy design ensures reliability for riders of varying sizes and weights. Foldable design for enhanced convenience. The Ridstar H26 Pro electric bike is not only about performance but also about practicality. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, catering to riders with limited space or those who frequently travel with their bike. Weighing just 34 kilograms, the lightweight frame ensures that the bike remains manageable for users of all strength levels. Included in the package are essential tools, a charger, pedals and a manual, providing everything needed for a seamless setup and immediate use. Whether for commuting, exploring or simply enjoying the journey, the Ridstar H26 Pro electric bike offers a perfect combination of power, comfort and convenience, making it a top-tier choice for today's riders.